Mosquitoes are a group of about 3,500 species of small insects that are flies. The mosquito life cycle consists of egg, larva, pupa, and adult stages. Eggs are laid on the water surface. They hatch into motile larvae that feed on aquatic algae and organic material. Larva. The mosquito larva has a well-developed head with mouth brushes used for feeding, a large thorax with no legs, and a segmented abdomen. Larvae breathe through spiracles located on their 8 abdominal segments, or through a siphon, so must come to the surface frequently. The larvae spend most of their time feeding on algae, bacteria, and other microbes in the surface microlayer. They dive below the surface when disturbed. Larvae swim either through propulsion with their mouth brushes, or by jerky movements of their entire bodies, giving them the common name of wigglers or wrigglers. Larvae develop through 4 stages, or instars, after which they metamorphose into pupae. At the end of each instar, the larvae molt, shedding their skins to allow for further growth. Larvae develop through 4 stages, or instars, after which they metamorphose into pupae. At the end of each instar, the larvae molt, shedding their skins to allow for further growth. During this time, intermediate molting occurs. The insect discards the body cover, the exoskeleton, so that it can increase in size. The mosquito larvae are characterized by intensive growth. When they only hatch from an egg, their length does not exceed only 1 millimeter and they are almost invisible to the naked eye. By the end of the stage, the body stretches to 1 centimeter. Body weight increases even faster. According to biologists, its difference from the original can be up to 500 times. When the development of the larva ends, it transforms into a pupa with a more complex structure. However, many insects die soon after birth for various reasons: adverse weather conditions, low temperature, natural disasters, etc. Predators. Larvae feed on fish, amphibians, poor environmental conditions, water pollution with oil film, etc.